Hello, welcome to TechPoint Fundamentals YouTube channel. Today we will see how we can generate or extract methods automatically in Visual Studio. So this is a Visual Studio tips and tricks series. So before continuing this video, you are requested to please subscribe this YouTube channel so that you will get notification whenever I upload a new video to my channel. So let's start the video. So as a developer, we know sometimes we write some code within any method or any class. Then we realize that that particular snippet, for example, if I've written a code to send the email within any method, but in later you realize that no, this method, yeah, this logic of sending the email, it may be used somewhere else, and we want to suppose we want to uh, make a function to send the email and then use that function in our method, right? So in that case, what if we as a developer go and create a method with some name, and then again go to copy paste the code from the current method to that separate method, or just cut paste or copy paste, whatever we prefer. So instead of doing those so many clicks and all the things, so Microsoft Visual Studio has provided a simple thing to do that automatically. Suppose in this example, what I want that this logic, right, to print the data, right, which for example I have to create this logic into a separate method, and we have to call that method here. So what you have to just select that part and right click, and this quick action and refactoring, just click on that. Here if you see this, there is an option of extract method, just click on that and it will automatically create a method and call that method in that method as well. So if you want to change, if you see this, I'll automatically highlighted the name of the method. If you can want, if you want to change that method name, you can do that. Let me rename this method as print list, and press enter. So if you see, the name is updated in both the places, and this method is created as private method and it is called here automatically. So if you see, this is the very simple example for refactoring any method. It's working fine. So in this way you can create or generate methods automatically from anywhere. So that's for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.